Alrighty, well, we've got her up in the air now. I'm doing these sensors right here. This brand new one. This is the bank one, sensor 2, pretty sure. And then this is the one that we're replacing just now. I just got the part. That's my fuel to air ratio. So that's gonna be a little bit funner. But yeah, you guys can see now the underneath of the car a little bit better. You can see like the shocks, the tie rods, all of that are actually really strong. I did say there was a little leak here. As you can see, like, see if I can get the flash on. There is this leak here. It does look worse than it actually is. It's a lot built up. But as long as there's no liquid in here and I can still push that slot of air, we're doing fine. But that's why I said we should probably replace the rack and pinion on one of the preventative maintenance services that I'm doing. All my fans are looking nice and good. I mean, no issues there, no coolant leaks. Here's my alternator. All right, so this is my serpentine belt right here, tensioner and alternator and everything. These are belt operated. The chain is behind all this. I can't really show it, but that's gonna be the first thing, one of the first things that I replace. But all these belts are actually looking pretty strong. I'm not seeing any cracks, so that's always sweet. There is no leaks up here in either shocks. Absolutely no leaks. So we ordered the wrong part. So it's gonna be another couple days before I get a driver. I'm not super happy camper, and I still can't figure out what's going on with the window. So that's annoying, but small setbacks, I guess. All right, of course this isn't the G. This is actually one of my customers' car. I'm just taking through the wash, but I just had a little bit of time, figured I'd film this part. I was able to get the O2 sensor that I needed. The original sensor that I did buy for it was the fuel to air ratio sensor. That code was no longer present, and that's fine. But we also got the sensor code for the opposite side of bank 1 sensor 2. So it was really complicated. It sounds easy, I promise, but it was so complicated trying to figure out which sensor they wanted me to get for it. So we ended up ordering like 3 different sensors and returning 2 of them back because they didn't work. But we did find one, and I can drive her tonight, and I'm super excited. Right now we don't have AC, and right now the passenger window still doesn't roll up. Still doesn't roll down, which sucks, but I am planning on fixing the AC next week. I just need 45 bucks for that, as I was saying before. And then the window, that's gonna take me a little bit of funky money to go over to Infiniti. So I'm cleaning my car right now. I figured I'd show you what it looked like beforehand. It's not gonna be anything crazy just because I'm doing it. I'll send it to my detailers when I have some money, but this is what it looks like now. So this is, of course, before the vacuuming, but I got her actually looking pretty clean. There's a little red spot right here that I just really can't get out, but yeah, she looks a lot better than before. Just found a small piece of my fabric is coming loose. Gonna have to figure out something to get that back in there. Alrighty, I got her all clean. She's back at home. Course, I did notice that there is a little bit of rust right there, but that's not too hard to take care of. It's just a trim piece. I did try and restore the headlights as much as I could, but didn't come out as great as I wanted it to. Definitely got to clean that grill off some more. But overall, man, I really love her. She's sweet. Everything is super clean in here. What's up, guys? As you guys could probably tell, I did mean for this video to be a little bit longer. That's why I had the times and dates right there. But I'm probably not going to be working on her until after I get paid, which is going to be in a week and a half, and I don't want to hold the video for that long. Even though this video is probably going to be coming out far after the 31st. I just wanted to have something out there so if someone is trying to follow along with my G35 videos, that they don't think I'm just going to drop off the end of the world. I'm working on her. It just takes a little bit of money. Everyone knows that. The first few things aren't going to cost very much, so I should have a video out here soon on doing my AC compressor seal. I'm also going to do some little light modifications, as well as I'm going to try and hook up my radio a little bit better before I get my infotainment system. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great day and will continue having one. I have had quite a crazy day. I'm glad I have my car back and it feels great to drive her. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.